I just want to say thank you to all the freshies who came, and all the year 2 and year 3 who came also for the support, and also the seniors for finding time to come up because very busy, right? And also the organisers Shafika, Fazlur and Amira, obviously. So thank you, and also the Logi team who I have to thank them very much.
Especially the awesome people that come to the camp.
Oh, you are the awesome.
Yeah, you need to thank us too.
Group leaders for the.
Yeah, because without us, the camp won't happen. You see.
Okay.
Yeah, so you must appreciate our presence.
Wait, are you the one who is the R? Silat ni R? Wait, what?
But no, you got the wrong person. Sorry.
I'm sorry I can attend the SILAT FOC. Have my trial.
Dah bye.
Bye.
So Vika, what's your thoughts on the FOC?
I think the FOC camp was super awesome.
I can see myself. Ooh.
Ooh, wow. Ooh, wow, so near. Okay, I know I'm awesome. Oh, okay. No, okay.
So what's your thoughts on FOC?
Oh, right. I think the camp was really awesome. The organizers did a really great job. I'm so proud of you guys. And I hope that all the freshies have bonded together, and I've seen a lot of improvement and bond among all the freshies. It's so good. I can't really say out a lot because you have to see it for yourself to know.
Ya, dia adalah walaupun dia seorang yang kecil, dia dia adalah
Dia pelat tau. Korang.
Mari kita makan goreng pisang.
goreng pisang, garing, taruh atas piring, makan ramai-ramai.
Ramai.
Tadi.
Wait, wait, you hold on.
Jalan macam mana? Okay, one. Kita jalan. Good night!
Adoy! Okay, moving on. That was bad of them. So, Mr. President, what's your thoughts on FOC?
Okay, sincerely I mean Fit tak pernah ada Campfire in my
Why are you
entire
walking
life.
towards the camera?
Fit tak pernah ada FOC on my entire life. So Campfire. So means this is my first Campfire ever.
The fake one you mean?
Yeah, this fake
I
one.
can see that one.
Even though it's fake, but I really enjoy it. Yeah, so well done to the organisers. Alright.
So, good job at the helicopter there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, something for yourself. Yes.
No.
Cepatlah.
Hi, I'm the photographer come videographer.
Yes.
Honestly, I'm not really feeling well, but anyway, the camp was so awesome. I love it. It's fun. We get to go out and went to start beside and everything. Fun running. We are the first group. The Indians. Hey, the Indians!
Indians, oi!
Yeah, Indians. Oh, yeah. He's my group mate.
Indians.
We won. Anyway, no.
We won. We just assume that we won.
The camp was very fun. So, to Yasir, Faz, and Amira, Shafika, they really did a good job. I'm really proud of them, even though they're only year 2s. Yeah, kudos, man, kudos. Woo! Salute.
Okay.
Bye.
Yasir.